Hello, welcome to this session. In this one, we are going to see about family and family values, and this belongs to the subject value education. Okay, family and family values. So, we all know what is family and what are family values. Even though I would like to share my opinion or comprehension related to this family and family values. As I said earlier, that we all know what is family, the definition or family values. A group of persons who are concerned about each other in the group, okay, in a unit, okay, that it can be taken it as a family. So generally, if we see family, in the unit of family we got parents, then we got children, in few families we get grandparents, okay. So if we every person in that unit is very much concerned about one another. And now I will just list out the types of families which we can see in this modern era. They say number one, nuclear family; two, single parent family; three, extended family; four, childless family; five, step family; six, grandparent family. So, what is a nuclear family? In a nuclear family, where parents and children will be there, and in single parent family, either father or mother, they will be single and they will be raising their kids, and in extended family, parents, aunts, cousins, uncles, children, everyone will be there as a unit, and in childless family there will be no child. They may have opted or they may have thought of not having a child. Then step family. In step family, either there will be no mother, and father, have he might get married, and in vice versa, it is step family. And grandparent family, where the grandparents raise their kids, raise the children, okay. So overall, family is a unit of persons in which everyone is concerned about others, each other, okay. And now this is in brief, and now we will see family values. So what are the family values? If you see, means caring, caring for one another, okay. Then sharing, okay, uh, sharing probably food, sharing love, etc. Then forgiveness, okay. then tolerance. Okay, so uh, we should have tolerance. Okay, if we uh, live as a unit, means tolerance should be there, and we should avoid anger. Okay, these are some values which are considered as very important. Okay, especially in regard to family values. So avoiding anger, forgiving one another, okay, having tolerance, then caring for one another, this all considered as a family values. So this is what in a brief for family and family values. Inshallah, we will meet in next session. Thank you. Hope you might have comprehended. If not, please raise your questions.